Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and have a good day, sir. My name is Mama Halim bin Johar. I'm student SECR-2033, Section 9, Computer Organization and Architecture. The purpose I do in this video to show my answer in the lab 2 that you given. So it is a question once. So we coding the answer by copying the code given in question and paste in the Visual Studio. So it is. So we try to debug first to check there is an error or not. So there's no error in here. So we can check the we can trace and check the memory of register in each lines. So we step over. So we can see we have a memory and register. So we trace one by one to get the address and the register. So for the line 1, so you can see here the var1 is 1 and var2 is 9. Just look in here. So in the line 1, the var1 will be moved to the register AX. We press F10 and var2, which is 9, move to the BX register. So if we trace it again, so exchange, which is the register BX and register AX, will be shifted. So the value AX and BX different lah from before. So we trace again. So the value of AX will be moved to the var 1, and if we trace again, the value of bx will be entered to the var 2. So we can see the value of var 1 or var 2 are changed. So there is a code for question 2. So we just copy the code from the question and just paste in the Visual Studio. So we can see there is a 4 variable in here. So we just check there is an error or not. So there is no error in here. So we can check the movement of memory and register in each line. So step over. Okay, no problem. You can see the value of S value, Y val and Z val in here. So we can see the movement of this value when we trace one by one. So for the line 1, the X val will be moved to the register EAX. So we will trace, yes, it will change. So the next EAX, which is the value of EAX, will be a negative. So we can see for 1A, we can change it to FF6, which is a negative value. So in the line 3, the value of y val will be moved to the register EBX. So we can see in here later, it will be moved to 1E, and the EBX the value of register EBX will be subtract to the Z value, which be 40. So we subtract, it will be changed to the FFRS6 again. So we add the EAX and EBX, or register EBX and register EAX. So we can see the answer will be enter to the EAX. So we change it to into FFFFFFDC. So each EAX, which means the number of register EAX will be increased by 1. So we can see from C to the DC to the DD. So we move the EAX register, the value of register EAX to the R value. So we can see the value of R value is in here. So that is question 3 code. So as before, we just copy from the question and just paste in here. So we check there is an error or not. So there's no error in here. So we can continue. Just step over. So we can see here we have four variable that have 3 values, and variable 4 which has 0 value. So we start by move the variable 1 into the register EAX. So we trace it will be the value of variable will go to the EAX register. So mul multiply, so the EAX will be multiplied to EAX. Yeah, we can see here it's changed. So the in the line 3, variable 3 will added with EAX. So variable 3 is 20. We add by 32, which is, we get 46 in here. So in the line 4, we have two functions, which is deck and move. So DEC, which is decline, so the value of the register EAX will be decreased by 1. So with traces, yeah, they decrease by 1. So the value of EAX in here will be moved to the variable 4. So that is a value of variable 4 before we trace it. So after we trace it, we get a 45. So the final answer is which is 69 if we change to the decimal.